Let's make sushi salmon avocado roll. Prepare freshly cooked white rice. Mix sushi vinegar into the rice. Be careful not to crush it while mixing. The white rice used for sushi is round and sticky Japanese rice. Next, prepare the salmon. Use sashimi-grade salmon. Slice the part to be placed on top diagonally, and finally, cut it into slices by standing the knife upright. The part to be placed inside will be thinly sliced into strips. Next is the cream cheese. Since it goes inside, slice it thinly like the salmon. Now prepare the avocado. Avoid overly soft ones as they tend to lose their shape. Cut it in half. Peel it and slice it thinly. Now that the ingredients are ready, it's time to prepare the sushi rolling mat. It's called makisu. To prevent rice grains from getting stuck, wrap it with plastic wrap. Of course, it's okay to use it without wrapping. Place the green side of the rolling mat facing up. Then, place the seaweed horizontally on top. Spread the rice on the seaweed, lightly pressing it with the pat of your fingers. Since the rice sticks to the fingers, have some water ready and wet your fingers occasionally. Once the rice is even spread, flip the seaweed over. Place the toppings. Arrange the cream cheese and salmon in a line. Place the sushi slightly towards your side and use the rolling mat to roll it up, pressing gently with your fingers to secure the ingredients. After finishing rolling, firmly press both sides of the rolling mat and lift it slightly. Add the topping on top. Place the salmon and avocado alternately on top. It looks nicer when the ingredients slightly overlap. To secure the ingredients, wrap it with plastic wrap. Place the rolling mat on the top and gently press with your fingers to apply pressure. To prevent the shape from deforming, cut it while still wrapped in plastic wrap. Since the avocado tends to stick to the knife and make the cross section messy, clean the knife after each cut. For serving, Arrange them on a plate, showing the cross-section. This time, top it with salmon roll and daikon radish sprouts. Salmon roll, ikura, is salt-cured salmon eggs, giving a delightful popping texture. And all is done. Enjoy with some wasabis and soy sauce.